My name's Gord Adamanchik. I'm General Manager at Microtool & Machine. I joined Microtool in 2006. Microtool & Machine is a OEM manufacturer of machinery that's used for manufacturing electrical transformers. Beyond that, we are a robotics and industrial automation integrator. Microtool & Machine started out as a machine shop or tool and die facility servicing the local manufacturing market. After a few years, we started building custom machinery for select customers in the area, and that transitioned into developing the products that we have today. So winding machines and cut the length lines, roll forming equipment. If everything's a priority, nothing is, right? And so as a company, we really needed to narrow down what we considered was important. And with the resources we have, utilize them in a way that can maximize the benefit for the company. So really it comes down to what are the products that we see as being scalable in terms of the business and focusing our efforts around that.
We went from a custom manufacturers where we build one machine and next machine may be different, maybe completely different, maybe somewhat similar, and we transitioned more into repeat OEM style where we can build 8 of the same machine and push a lot more towards standardization and scale more or less. We did a lot of research and development into what we consider now the core business. So integrating a lot of new technologies and learning what was good and what worked, but also looking a lot more forward on what is available, what can we integrate, what kind of technologies can we use that can improve and give us a bit more of an edge.
Through COVID, our business has really expanded to the point where we've added a second facility focused primarily on final machine assembly. And through the last 3 years, we've seen our workforce double. As we looked at our vision and what the focus would be for the company, we looked at products and geographical areas where MTM can make a big impact. Focusing on the North American market over the last few years has been very advantageous. I think people always try to solve problems themselves, and I think that's an important skill, but there's also an opportunity or a time in which you can bring in external resources to help you with those problems. And so I would say that while we've been engaged with CME for the last 5-6 years, we certainly could have started that process earlier on to help us build the foundation. Through CME, MTM has taken advantage of lean training for our employees, leadership development for our first-line supervisors, as well as strategic planning programs such as ocean cannery and so forth. So all of those have had a big impact in us kind of shaping the business around that vision. I think it's really cool to be recognized for this award. I see it as being a true team effort in order to achieve this. It really comes back to the team that's come together at MTM right now, and kind of the sum of all the hard work. We have the products, we have the people, and I think the team is really interested in seeing where we can take this. What we're interested in is sustainable growth, and so that we can build upon what we've accomplished and continue this on for as many years as possible.